Motovlogging and wireless mics, you're afraid you may lose the microphone when you plug it in down the road. It falls out. Any of them will do that. Vibration will make them fall. You have a cold shoe. You don't want to glue it onto the frame of the camera itself. And you don't want to glue it to the side. You have a magnet mount. You want to place it on the bottom of a magnet mount. Snaps into place, you're good to go. The glues I use are BSI or Gorilla Clear. They will do the job. Now, one of the steps you can do is, on the left hand side, you take a cold shoe, you glue it to the helmet. You're going to need a USB-C to C. If it's a TRS cable, then you get a USB-C to TRS, your problem is solved. Now, if your DJI wireless mic doesn't have a clip, you can get a clip, glue it on, and then everything you did here will work fine. You got cables yourself, you want to make up, do so. You can make up a cable your own length that you want. Lutzmix showed us how to take a rubber band. He showed us how to go across, put a twist in it on a small rig, and the problem he showed was it was on the back of the screen, which we understand he did one of those. And it works out just fine for him. But the problem is it may put pressure like so on an angle and cause issues down the road. So I said, hey, why not take a rubber band? Why not grab one in the front, grab one in the back? Depending on the lengths they are, they will apply the proper pressure. Go over. You could twist on this any way you want. You can hold it on there. Place on your product, like so, no matter what it is. Dead center the square knot. Then take the rubber band. You're going to go all the way around, wrap it around. It doesn't block the front, doesn't block the rear, not going to obstruct your on and off the mode, and it's not going to block your shutter. It holds on. It gives pressure dead center properly to the wireless mic. So those are your options. I would go with this, with the helmet, with the clip to the side if vlogging is important for you and going that route. I hope this video was helpful to you.